Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a while since my last video. Today is going to be another quick, easy, but profoundly helpful and transformative exercise for pelvic rolls and some ways of figuring out how to move your body slightly different than we may currently be doing. When I'm working with people in practice, I find that pelvic roll is one of the things that can really change so much in a person's body and an awareness of themselves and so much more. So let's just hop into it and see how you feel afterwards. So here we are, lying on our back, knees bent. And what I want you just to do is move your pelvis. Try to isolate just your pelvis so that we get it rocking forward and a rocking backwards. And that's all we're going to try to do. Just rock the pelvis forward and back. And trying not to use the abs and the core so much so it's not a huge contraction, but a gentle roll forward and rolling backwards. So try this just a few times. Noticing how your body is moving. And then take a rest for a moment, and I'm going to teach it in a way that may be a little different and hopefully helpful. So what I'd like you to do is find your feet on the mat and then gently just start to reach the feet into the ground. Not very strong, we don't need these forceful actions, just gently reach your feet into the ground and notice that when both feet reach into the ground, how the pelvis starts to automatically roll. And then start to let the feet relax, let go, and notice how the pelvis drops back the other way. So we can really concentrate on just feet and how the feet will move the pelvis. We don't need too much legs. We don't need the quads to assist too much. There'll be a small movement. But really just feet down and letting feet go. And what you may be able to see here is as I press my feet in, there's a small roll, there's an arch in my lower back, all being done just by the feet. And letting go flattens the back. As you do this, you may also notice that the head moves or the shoulders move, but they're being moved by being more pulled than actually activating. So even though we're just working on the pelvis here and rocking the pelvis, it can start to ripple all the way through the spine. And if you're not getting that yet, don't worry, it takes time. Pressing feet in and letting feet go. That's it. Simple, but incredibly transformative and profound. Alright, so that's really it. Just pelvic rocking for now, working on pressing feet in and letting go. Play around with it for a little bit. I know it seems really simple, but trust me, as you play with it more, you're going to start to find more freedom in your spine. You're going to notice how the walking may start to feel different. It's one of the exercises I give so often for people I'm working with on the table, and everyone is always like, wow, this is simple, yet I feel so much better. So I hope you all enjoy, I hope you like, hope you get something out of it. As always, you can click like, subscribe, follow, all that fun stuff. And I'm going to be trying to put out more videos for you in the days, weeks to come. Send messages if you have feedback, comments. I love hearing your success stories. I also love hearing what's challenging and then trying to find ways to make it easier for you. Have a good day all, and I'll see you soon.